In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Pi from your mainnet to your Pi wallets. So stick to the video. I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can actually move your Pi from your mainnet to your wallet available balance. You know, many of us who has completed our KYC and have some of their Pis migrated. When you go to the app where you mine Pi, you will see this available balance that have been migrated. But when you go to your Pi wallet, you will not be able to see that, and until you see that, you cannot transfer to any of the exchanges or make any transaction with it. So in this video, I want you to watch the video to the very end, and I will take you step by step on how to do this and get your Pi into your main wallet where you can use it. So what you're going to do right now is to go to your Pi. Excuse me. Okay. So click on your Pi browser. If you have not downloaded Pi browser you can actually click on your Pi, which is the one you are mining right now. Go to this menu, and from here click on Pi browser. All right, it will take you to where you are going to sign into your Pi browser. So, but I already downloaded my Pi browser, so I'll just come here, and then what I'm going to do is that you should click on this wallet. So when you come here, you click on the wallet, and the next thing is for you to enter your 24 passphrase here. So I am going to pause this video, and then after I enter my 24 passphrase, I will continue this video to show you how to do this. All right. Okay, now that you have entered your passphrase, you can see right here, this is what I have. You can see what I have here. It's already migrated, but it's not appearing here on my available balance. So what I need to do right now is to click on migration. All right, just click on migration. I'll click on it, and then when you click on migration, you will click on move. Right, once you click on move, this is the one that is actually available for me. The other ones are locked up. So move this balance. After confirmation, this amount to be moved to your available balance. This is the amount. Duration is 2 weeks. This is the fee, and then the lockup. Okay, the lockup until 24th 2024, blah 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 blah. So just click on confirm. I click on confirm. Okay, it is, you have successfully moved the amount to available balance. So just click on dismiss, and that is it. Now you can see that the money is already appearing in my available balance here. You can see it right here. Boom. So whatever it is right now, I can do with this. And in the next video, I am going to be showing you how you can actually move this to one to your exchange, assuming you want to sell your Pi from the exchange. Okay, so that is it, guys, in this video on how to move your Pi from your mainnet. Okay, from your mainnet to, please remember that when you come to your Pi wallet and it is showing, if it is showing testnet here, you need to first of all, before you click on this migration, you need to first of all click on on this arrow and then select mainnet. Okay, make sure you select mainnet. If it is on testnet, select mainnet before you go to click on migration, right before you click here to now send it to your available balance. So that is it, guys, in this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that I'll be able to show you every other update. And also check out the next video, how you will be able to move this particular Pi to your exchange for you to sell them in any of the exchange where it has been listed. Okay, thank you, guys.